You will be amazed by this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, power liftgate, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, keyless start, four-wheel drive, backup camera. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.